So what has meditation got to do with witchcraft? Hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, and if you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to be a witch or a Wiccan, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. This video is about meditation and witchcraft and how it can help you in your craft. Meditation has a lot of practical outcomes as well as spiritual and know thyself outcomes. So the practical outcomes when it comes to magic and your outer life is just simply you have better concentration, and it's easier to focus on your magic when you're doing a spell. It gives you more of an understanding of what it allows you to be able to take some time out and step back and ask yourself what it is that you really want, so that you can be more clear in what you're asking for in your magic. It can help you with your scrying. Being able to still the mind can help, it makes it more receptive to divination. If you are working with the deities, or if you're working with angel magic or other magic with other spirit beings, meditation just allows you to be able to be more receptive to being able to hear what it is that they may be saying to you if you're asking them something. So it has a lot of practical benefits associated with it. And yes, it's hard. Meditation's hard. It's not easy. Nobody finds meditation easy. Nobody sits down and just starts meditating straight away. Everyone feels resistance to it. And that's one of the reasons why I hear so many people say, oh, I'm no good at meditation, I can't do meditation, I can't concentrate, I get too fidgety. And when I do meditations in groups, I do notice people become quite fidgety. It is hard for people to sit for any length of time because we're not used to doing it. It's not part of our culture. We're a very busy culture, and we're used to being very hyped up and nervy and that kind of thing. So it's hard for us to calm our nervous system down. So when it comes to meditation, the benefits that it'll bring you personally is that it gives you more peace. It actually calms you down. If you struggle with anxiety or if you struggle with depression, there is clinical support out there through experimentation that meditation really does help these conditions. And meditation does that because it calms the nervous system down. It calms the amygdala in the brain down. So that's why it can calm the nervous system down. Meditation can help you become more clear about your goals. It can give you more confidence because it allows you to be more able to actually understand yourself. The more you meditate, the more you can know yourself. And this is knowing your true self, not necessarily the self you think you should be, or the self you've been told to be, or the self you really know that you're not. It can actually help you find that true self-expression of who you are. And it does that simply by giving you that stillness of mind and allowing you the space to really go in and inquire about who you are. The magical path is about know thyself, and meditation is one of the most important ways that you can do that. So how do you do it? What's the first step in doing meditation for the craft? So you only need to start by doing 2 minutes, okay? Don't try and do half an hour if you're new to this. Sit for 2 minutes. Set the alarm clock or set your alarm on your phone for 2 minutes, and then with each week you can add a minute, okay? You don't have to try and do half an hour all at once if you're doing this on your own. You just start small. Start simple, start small. And all you have to do to start is practice the beginnings of mindfulness meditation, which is the easiest way to do it is to just focus on your physical body. So you sit down in a relaxed position that might be cross-legged on a cushion like I'm on, or you might be more comfortable in a chair. As long as your back's straight, your feet are flat on the floor if you're in a chair. And you just close your eyes and you focus on your body. You just bring your mind into your physical body, and you just notice where there's any physical tension, any physical sensations. There might be pain. Just noticing it. And as you notice these sensations, you're probably also going to notice that there's resistance there to sitting and meditating. And if you've noticed that resistance, that's a good thing, because that means you're being mindful. So the meditation is already starting to work. How you work with the resistance is simply by just noticing it and just allowing it to be there. Allow the body to be tense. Allow the tension to be there. Allow the desire to fidget to be there, but resist the desire to fidget at the same time. Just observe how it feels to be resisting the desire to fidget and allowing that resistance to be present. Any sensations that you have in your body, allow to be present. Just allow it to be present. Just observe it and allow it to be present. You're not trying to fight anything. You're just allowing it to be there and observing it. And then you're just breathing in, very gently breathing in and breathing out. And you can even watch your breath, as in take a notice of the breathing in and the breathing out as you're taking notice of your body. And just being aware of the tension, of the resistance in your body, just watching the body. And if you do have any pain or any sensations in your body, you may find that if you're just allowing it all to be there and you're just being observant of it, you're not resisting it in any way, that the pain may either go away completely or it becomes less. If you're feeling anxiety, if you're feeling tension, and you just observe that tension, observe that anxiety and allow it to be there, because it's not going to harm you, it will reduce. And you just watch your body, and you just watch how your body changes as you watch your body. And that's the beginnings of mindfulness. That's being mindful of your body. It's allowing you to concentrate on one thing, observing yourself, and calming your nervous system down at the same time, which you need to be if you need to go into trance at all. If you're doing divination or scrying or anything where you need to be in trance. That's the beginning. That's the first thing to do. For a couple of weeks, just focus on that. That's hard enough. It's hard enough. Do it for 2 minutes when you first start doing it. Then add, do it for 3 minutes. Then do it for 5 minutes. Build up till you're doing it for about maybe 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes a day. And see, you can break it up into 2 sets of 10 minutes a day. Even just doing it 10 minutes a day will help. It's really important, and the resistance to doing it is what stops us from doing it. But once you get into the habit of meditating and your body gets used to meditating, you actually will find you'll actually enjoy that time out, that time out from the craziness of the world. That's why I include meditation audios every month in the Mystery Witch School 101 program, because meditation is hard and it's important, and so I help people with that by guiding them through the grounding and the meditation exercises, so that it actually gently teaches you how to do it with me guiding you. So if you are interested at all in learning how to be a witch or a Wiccan, and you are struggling with learning and starting the craft and knowing where to start, what to do, what practices to do, getting your head around all of the practices, being afraid that you may be doing the wrong thing, and you're wanting to learn from somebody who has over 28 years of experience, then check out the Mystery Witch School 101 training. The link is in the description box below, the description field below this video, and do seriously think about it, because it is hard to do this on your own. It really, really is. And there's so much literature out there that it's hard to know what works and what doesn't. And it's also hard to discipline yourself when you don't have a regular practice or a regular study program to implement regularly. So do check that out. Otherwise, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, do put in comments if you are wanting me to do a video about a particular thing. Throw that in the comments field below, and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, blessed be.